everyone, this is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. My today's recipe is crispy cabbage pakoras. Nothing like a cabbage pakora with tea or coffee to enjoy, especially on a winter afternoon. So please do try the recipe this way and hope you like it. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. Here I have taken a small to medium size cabbage, about 400 grams. I have finely chopped the cabbage. To this I will add a few ingredients for marination. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I will mix the cabbage with the turmeric and the salt and then keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. The cabbage will turn soft and it will also give out a lot of water. It's been 10 minutes. Now I will take a handful of the chopped cabbage and squeeze the water from the cabbage. If you squeeze the water in this manner, then when you make the cabbage pakora, it will be nicely crispy. Otherwise, the pakoras can turn a little soggy. So go ahead and do this for all of the cabbage. I have squeezed the excess water from the cabbage and I have kept the cabbage in this container. I just want to show you that how much water we have drained out from the cabbage. Next step, we are going to start making the pakora mixture. Now we will start making our pakora mixture. To the cabbage, I'm going to add 1 to 2 eggs that I have beaten. If you're using a large sized egg, you can also use just one. 1 medium sized onion, 150 grams finely chopped. 1½ tablespoon of grated ginger. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. You can also use corn flour. Chopped coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Some salt as per taste. We also marinated the cabbage with some salt, so just be mindful of that while adding salt here. Some chopped green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies based on your spice level. And finally, we are going to add gram flour or besan. You will need 1 to 1½ cups of besan, but we will not add all the besan at one go. So add a little at a time and keep mixing well and then see how well it is binding together. I needed 1 cup of besan for the pakora mixture. So you can see here that the mixture is binding well together. However, you can need a little more or less of the besan for your pakora mixture. I have heated up enough oil to deep fry the pakoras. Now I will put a handful of the pakora mixture in the oil and at a medium flame we will deep fry the pakoras. One side has been nicely fried, so I'll flip over to the other side and let that side be fried as well. It typically takes about 2 minutes to fry each side, so not too long. These cabbage pakoras are nicely fried, so now I will set these aside and I will go ahead and fry the rest of the pakoras as well. Our crispy cabbage pakoras are completely ready. Nothing like a cabbage pakora with tea or coffee. So hope you like the recipe and thank you so very much for watching my channel.